Hey guys, welcome to Ho Chi Minh City.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati.
So Ho Chi Minh is the biggest city in the south of Vietnam. We've come down and we're staying in District 1, which is right near the centre of the city. So what we're going to try to do today is take you around Ho Chi Minh City and find some of our favourite foods that we love to eat while we're here.
I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be...
So our first stop for the day is we've come around the corner from where we're staying to a little alleyway that serves a lot of different types of breakfast. Our go-to one is a lady who serves what's called a Banh Mi, which is a baguette filled with meat, vegetables and a fried egg on top, and then a little bit of chilli sauce on it as well, which is delicious. Right next door to her there's actually a place that serves cafe soda, which is a little bit of condensed milk in the bottom of the cup of coffee and then coffee poured over the top with ice. The ones that they serve have almost like a chocolate type of hint to it as well. So now we're going to head out, we're going to explore a little bit. There's a cool garden that we're going to go try to check out and see if we can find it, and yeah, take you along for the ride. We've actually come out to the Binh Quy Cultural Village, which is not far out of Ho Chi Minh City. It's about a half-hour bike ride from the middle of town. What it is, it's a little oasis just outside the city that gives you a bit of a taste of what the Mekong Delta is actually like. We've come out here in the middle of the week and we've pretty much had the whole place to ourselves. There's been not many tourists around at all. Apparently on the weekends it does get a bit busier. When we first rocked up, it looked there was so few people here. It actually looked closed, but yeah, definitely worth coming out to get a little bit of a cultural experience while you're in Ho Chi Minh. Just outside of this place is just a normal busy Vietnamese street, so we're going to go out there and we're going to find one of our other favourite foods to have for lunch. So we've just stopped a little roadside restaurant for lunch and we've got a dish called Bun Bo Hue, which is a beef noodle dish with soup and vegetables that you then mix through, and it is absolutely delicious. Most of these little roadside restaurants are actually also people's houses, as you can see behind me. With this one in particular, we were actually invited to ride our motorbike inside the restaurant to park it because there wasn't really any parking on the street. So we're going to haul into this. It looks really delicious, and yeah, then we're going to head into town and get some egg coffee. So we've come back into town now, and we've come to a little coffee shop in an alleyway off Bui Bien Street, which is the backpacker centre of Ho Chi Minh. The coffee place is called Little Hanoi Egg Coffee. So egg coffee is a coffee that's made with, instead of using milk, it uses the yolk of the egg, which is creamed up and mixed with sugar, and the end result makes it a really sweet, creamy coffee that almost tastes a little bit like tiramisu. So we're going to have a couple of these and then head into Bui Bien Street to get some dinner. So this is Bui Bien Street, the backpacker centre of Ho Chi Minh City. Of a weekend at night, they actually close the entire street off and all the bars and restaurants spill out into the street that becomes one giant party. The bars and restaurants down here are a little bit more expensive than other places in town, but you can still get really good cheap food on the side of the street. About 50 metres away from where we just had egg coffee is a little street side vendor that sells something called tom tam, also known as broken rice. Basically it's a dish of rice and egg and barbecued pork, which is cut up and put on the top, and then you have a sweet sauce that you pour over the top, and it's absolutely delicious. So we actually just decided after dinner that we'd head into Bui Bien Street for a beer, and we came across this place where you can get your hair cut, where you go in, you chuck some money into a vending machine, it gives you a ticket, and then they basically call you over, do your hair, and at the end of your haircut they vacuum your head and your neck and everything to make sure that all the hair's gone. It's awesome. So for only $3 we both got our hair cut tonight as well. So for dessert, on the street side, you can actually get this banana dessert, which is, the bananas are roasted and then flattened out and cut up, which they put a coconut custard topping with pearls through it. So we're finishing the night off with getting a beer in one of the street side vendors at Boi Vien Street. Thanks so much for coming along today, checking out some of our favourite foods in Ho Chi Minh City. We hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!